So hi, my name is Torsha Boswell. I'm traveling from Akron, Ohio. And the name of my business is Events by Torsha. I've been in business 2 years and thought about taking a class a year and a half ago, and for whatever reason wasn't able to. I wanted to attract a high-paying end client, but my backdrops was sort of boring and it was attracting the same client. So I knew I had to invest in myself and in my business in order to attract that type of client that I was searching for. The biggest takeaway for me, it was definitely technique, fabric selection, and just being able to, the overall design. Having a pattern to base your design off of is one of the biggest takeaways for me. So my experience with the class has been just phenomenal. I will say I walked in thinking it was one way, it was so personable. Precious really poured everything she knew or she thought I might need into my business. I'm just on a high right now, honestly. I'm just on a high. I can't wait to get back home. I said I might give a free backdrop away just so I could do one. I just want to try it. My design, the design that we did today, the color selection was everything about me. This is me right here. These colors, even though I'm in black, this color it speaks me. I absolutely fell in love with the overall design. It's just beautiful. If you're on the fence and you really are thinking about increasing your clientele or going after that high-paying clientele, I say whatever you have to do other than rob, steal, and kill, I say do it. It is an investment, but it will have a return.